Are you trying to decide between Ableton and Bitwig? You are not alone. Many music producers face this choice. In this video, we'll compare these two powerful digital audio workstations. Both tools help you create music, but they have some differences that might sway your decision. Let's start with what they both offer. Ableton and Bitwig are designed for music production, live performance, and sound design. They both come with a range of features that make creating music easier and more fun. Now, let's talk about Ableton. It's been around for a while and is very popular among electronic music producers. Its session view is great for live performances and improvisation. Ableton also has a large library of sounds and effects, which is a big plus for many users. On the other hand, we have Bitwig. This software is newer but has quickly gained a loyal following. Bitwig is known for its flexibility and modular approach. You can customize your workflow in a way that suits your style. It also has some unique features like the ability to create and edit audio clips in real time. So, what are the key differences? Ableton is often seen as more user friendly, especially for beginners. Bitwig, however, offers more advanced features for those who want to dive deeper into sound design and customization. When it comes to features, both tools have strong offerings. Ableton shines in its MIDI capabilities and extensive sound library. Bitwig stands out with its modulation system and advanced audio editing. Now, let's briefly touch on pricing. Both offer different tiers, but generally, Bitwig might be a bit more affordable for those on a budget. In the end, if you're a beginner or prefer a straightforward approach, Ableton might be the way to go. If you're looking for flexibility and advanced features, give Bitwig a try. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.